Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a withdraw bank account on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app and navigate to your fiat wallet. This is where you manage your traditional currency. Next, select the fiat currency you wish to withdraw, like US dollars. Then, tap on Transfer, choose Withdraw, and finally select Fiat to begin the process of linking your bank account for withdrawals. Now, you'll need to link your bank account. Select the option to Add Bank Account and search for your financial institution. You will then be securely redirected to your bank's online portal. Log in using your usual credentials. After successful login, you'll be prompted to authorize Crypto.com to connect with your bank account, allowing for future withdrawals. You can link up to 5 bank accounts. Once your bank account is linked, it's crucial to confirm all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Before proceeding, take a moment to review any withdrawal limits and potential fees that may apply to your account or region. Crypto.com does not charge a fee for ACH withdrawals, but your bank might. For your first withdrawal, consider starting with a small amount to ensure everything processes smoothly before larger transfers. Always double-check your bank account information before confirming any withdrawal to prevent errors. Remember that withdrawal limits can vary. For example, some users might have a monthly limit of $15,000, while others could withdraw up to $1 million daily via ACH. These limits depend on your account tier and verification status. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Staying informed helps ensure smooth and secure transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.